Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do that press the crown button to wake up the screen and then press it again to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll through this menu and look for the settings icon. My bad, let's go back to the main menu and look for settings. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called, I believe it's going to be sounds. Yeah. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the volume option, select it. And now we can adjust the sound volume by swiping on the slider. You can also use the crown. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.